their resilience and cope with stressors in today's fast-paced world?
Right. So resilience means the ability to handle stress. So one thing that all individuals should likely foster into their own development is promote self-caring nature. More and more that they care about their own self, not just in terms of body's health, but also mind's health. So strategies like performing mindfulness or taking part in such kind of an activities where personal growth is nurtured is one of the major facet for managing stress effectively. Other facet is seeking social supports. So by the help of those around us, we can build on upon our existing coping strategies so that they can have a more positive outcome towards the kind of stresses that we may face on a day-to-day basis in our lives.
Support to empower. World Mental Health Day Mega Workshop.